There it is right there, YouTube. 1970 Cutlass Supreme Convertible YouTube drop top. Y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all got to be ready for the summer. YouTube. This your boy Tone coming back at y'all, man. One more again with another great video, YouTube, on Chevys Are Us. As y'all already know, man, we at the gas station with another great gas station hit. I'm out here hollering at my man. What's your name, pimpin'? KY. Look, I'm out here with KY, YouTube. We out here in this drop top Cutlass. Got this thing looking clean, YouTube. Let me show it to y'all real quick. There it is right there, YouTube. Y'all see that thing right there. What year is it, bro? 1970. Yes, sir. How long you had it, bro?
About 6 years.
About 6 years. Look at that, YouTube. Hey, y'all see how clean that is, man? YouTube. Check it out, man. Y'all see what time it is, man. Hey, look here. Cars like this take patience. It take patience. I'm gonna get a good walk around of it. 1970 Cutlass Supreme Convertible YouTube drop top. Y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all got to be ready for the summer. Yes, sir. This thing run good too. You got the original engine in it. Wow. Yes, sir. That's it right there, man. Look at it, YouTube, man. Y'all see how clean that thing is? Everything all original. Got the AC compressor, everything, YouTube. Hey, that's it right there, man. Hey, one thing about it, you got to have, it take a lot of time, it take a lot of patience, and what else it take? A lot of hustle, a lot of money, YouTube. All right, YouTube, this your boy Tony, and we gonna holler at y'all in a minute. YouTube.